San Miguel Beer, the defending champions of this Philippine Cup.
Naalala ko yan before after yung Grand Slam nila yung Alaska team, natalo ng first 4 games yun bago nagka-regroup. And they went on to win another championship. And they were really a strong team. That's why. 3-point shot. Hindi pumasok para kay Malilim.
Kalinato down low.
What an effort though to keep it alive. One more time for Ferrer. Kanina pa siya sumusubok eh.
Finally, para kay Kevin. Knocks down his first basket of this game.
But look at how many points Blackwater gives up. 111. Of course, this is a power team. And talagang 3-point shooting team ito eh.
Altamirano.
Talagang shooter. Pag na-open talagang he can make shots. Oh, foul. Hindi tinawagan.
Opia. Baliktad. Opia pa rin.
Ayun.
Line though.
Yeah. Kailangan somebody has to teach him. Keep on teaching him. Pagtsatsagaan mo yan.
Natapik pa ni Altamirano yun, pero nanatili sa mga naka-18. Kailangan pa tumira ng TNT na isa. Aurin.
Kasali rin ako.
Will deliver it. So TNT, half the mission for the weekend is done para sa kanila. Hawak pa rin nila ang sarili nila ng tadhana kung gusto nila maka twice to beat pagdating ng quarterfinal round.
Well, sila mo dito sa kanya. Like you said, they'll be playing the game. You win, you're in the top.